Welcome back to Joe Rich Trades and Stocks, where we spilling all the info that they don't want you to know, man. And today I want to be talking about the upcoming Fed speakers and rate cut announcements that we got in the stock market. I want to talk about how that can possibly affect the stock market and how you can make some money off of it using these high probability setups. So without further ado, let's get straight into the money. So as y'all should know, within the end of this week, we do have rates getting cut possibly since the first time since 2020 in the stock market. And what does this mean, man? Along with the presidential election, this means increased volatility in the stock market, which I need to know, man. And y'all need to know how to play certain key levels in the stock market and know when they get broken, how they get broken, and how to make money off them getting broken, man, which is more so what I want to talk about today and less of what the small logistics of the rate cut percentages actually mean, man. So let's get into it. Pull out y'all notepads, pull out y'all trend views, and make sure y'all following along, man, while we talking about these key things to remember going into options trade and investing into the stock market upcoming, man. So as y'all can see, we got SPY pulled up, and what is ticker symbol SPY? It's an ETF index that holds the most valuable tech stocks, consumer stocks, food related stocks, you name it, in the market, man. So this is a clear indication of when people say the stock market is crashing or rising. SPY is what they're looking at 9 times out of 10, man, or QQQ, the NASDAQ. You understand what I'm saying? These bigger ETFs, but we like to look at the SPY, man. And we're going to put it on the daily chart right quick so I can show y'all something. And as y'all can see, we're near all-time highs on the daily chart, and we keep getting rejected from this little. It was 565 at one point, but we just broke in pre-market today, only to run up to 666 and get rug pulled all the way down, man. You understand what I'm saying? I know a lot of people this morning who got pump faked out on calls soon as it hit 666 and got ripped down, man, lost a lot of money. So I wanted to teach y'all today how to avoid that. You understand what I'm saying? So as we're looking at ticker symbol SPY on a 5-minute chart, man, you can see even more clearly how it ran up in pre-markets, broke 565, which was all-time highs, and then ran up only to again get rug pulled back down, and then this 565.5 to 566 got turned into a heavy sell-off zone, man. And what does this mean? This means the market makers are running this up in the morning to where people think that the sentiment of the market is going to be eaten because they're not checking for what support and resistance and looking to the left on the chart before hopping in these plays, man. And that's how easily the market can cook you if your entry isn't right on these plays. Because if you're looking at this in the morning and seeing, okay, it finally broke these all-time highs, I'm gonna get in right here, only for that to be the new resistance, and it's never been up here before, so you don't really have a say-so of where it's going to start rejecting down from. So keep this in mind while we are close and hugging near all-time highs on SPY in the market. You understand what I'm saying? So you can again avoid getting rug pulled and avoid these false breakouts, as I like to call them in the stock market, man. So as y'all can see, we ran up to 565, again rejected down, crossed the 200 EMA right here, right? Broke this key level of 563.5. And what did I tell y'all in the last video? When support gets broken, it turns into what? Resistance, man. So as y'all can see, after it got broken, it kept coming up and rejecting back down off of it, man. So moving forward, I want this 563 key level to be on y'all radar. 563.5 for real. I want that to be a key level on y'all radar is resistance. If we cannot break and hold that, do not watch this up to 566 and all-time highs. I want y'all to watch rejection plays back down to 560, and if we break and hold below 561 to 560, which is his heavy buy zone and strong low on the 5-minute chart, man, I want y'all to start watching it for a break and hold to 555 and 557. You understand what I'm saying? And let's check out NVIDIA right quick, because I want to teach y'all what is called a bear flag pattern. We're going to take these buy and sell zones off right quick. So as y'all can see, I want to zoom this out. right here at 115, 116 roughly, right? This was holding up its key support the past couple days. Again, what is support? Where the stock keeps coming down to and bouncing up off of, where the buyers are holding up strong at. So as you can see, we had 116 right here, flared up, ran down to 116 again, shot back up all the way to 120. 120 then became resistance, and we was kind of bouncing around this area, man, not hitting no lower than 117.5. is 116 in the pre-markets right here. Is back is the strong lows. And again, yesterday it didn't really have much sentiment. As we scroll in and zoom into the charts, it didn't have much sentiment under 116. As y'all can see, it held up as support. Now y'all see how the support broke today, and it's kind of making this flag pattern. This is what we call a bear flag pattern. Anytime a key level gets broken to the downside, and then it starts doing this consolidation thing, as y'all see right here on TradingView, man, making this flag pattern, watch for a breakout under what is holding as support in the bull flag breakout. So if this thing goes under 115, breaks and holds under 115, you can watch this down to 112, 111 in the main key support level, 110. You understand what I'm saying? And if 110 gets broken, we have room down, back down to $95, $100 level. You understand what I'm saying? But I just want to put this on your radar so you know how to play these high probability setups and ain't getting pump faked out due to false breakouts on these key levels. Like yesterday, as y'all can see, man, I wound up having to swing the video. I'm gonna be real with y'all because my entry was terrible. Y'all see how it broke under the key level of 116 that I was watching, only to get ripped right back up. This is what we call a fake breakdown in the stock market. What does this mean? This means that the stock shoots down right quick past the key level, only to get yanked back up and the buyers start stepping in. And you see it did come back down. I swung it, I ate today and saw profits and took profits on this, but I shouldn't have been waiting in the trade that long. I should have waited until it ran up, hits resistance again, and started rejecting. This would have been a perfect entry. This is a 100% play at the least. You understand what I'm saying? So a full double up on your money in the stock market in only the matter of minutes. And this is only to say how volatile trading options can be and profitable when you're doing it in a smart, strategic, and the right way. You understand what I'm saying? So just remember this. Remember these levels for NVIDIA, SPY, and these bull flag and bear flag breakout patterns that I taught y'all today, man. I ain't gonna keep y'all around for too long. I gave y'all the levels on SPY, gave y'all the levels on NVIDIA, and gave y'all a high probability setup. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, man. And if you want to join the Discord for all my live signals for profits, one-on-one mentorship, man, y'all already know. Link in description. Without further ado,